Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Today, we're looking at this article by Google Research from May 12, 2025, bringing 3D shoppable products online with generative AI. It explores how AI, especially a powerful video generation model named Veo, can turn just a few 2D product photos into interactive 3D models for online shoppers. This really aims to make the online shopping experience more immersive. Their journey started with an AI technique called neural radiance fields, or NeurIFs, which are AI methods for creating 3D views from images, but Veo is now enabling even better quality for these 3D spins. Okay, so this first figure gives us a visual of that initial neural radiance field approach. We see it starts with just a few input images of a shoe. In this example, 3 different views. The system then processes these to estimate things like surface normals, which tell us the orientation of the shoe's surfaces, and creates masks to isolate the shoe from its background. It also figures out the 3D position and camera pose for each input image. All this information is then used to build the 3D representation using the neural radiance field, allowing the system to generate novel views of the shoe, like a 360-degree spin. Alright, moving on from that initial neural radiance field method, this next diagram illustrates the second generation approach. It still uses similar inputs, like product images and their camera information, but the key difference is the introduction of a view-conditioned diffusion model. This is a type of generative model that can create new images based on a given viewpoint and an existing image, effectively predicting unseen parts. It then uses scored distillation sampling, a technique where this diffusion model guides the refinement of the 3D neural radiance field representation by providing feedback on generated views, leading to much better quality and realism, especially for tricky items like sandals. So we've seen how this research has evolved, from initial neural radiance fields to the more refined view-conditioned diffusion models, and now to their latest breakthrough using Veo. This third-generation approach seems really powerful. It can generate realistic 360-degree spins from as few as 3 product images. And it's not just for shoes anymore. It works across furniture, apparel, and electronics. It's even better at tricky things like shiny surfaces and complex lighting. The goal, ultimately, is to make online shopping much more interactive and informative. It's exciting to see these advancements. That's all for this AI Research Roundup. Thanks for tuning in.